Hello everyone, this is Travalgar Vallertine. How's it going today? Today I'll be doing another truck drawing. Today is a Volvo F16 reefer truck. So it's like a cargo truck. So it's quite a boxy truck, so I'm just going to start from pencil, just do some rough lines where I just want things to go. So this will be the cab. Come across here. It's important to do this beforehand just so you get just a perspective of where things will go and how things will fit in relation to everything else. I know sometimes if you don't do this, you'll do a detail on one wheel and work up the car, but then by the time you get to the other end of the car, it's in completely different proportions than what you first anticipated. Just zoom out a little bit. There you are. Okay, so it's just a small wheel there, one here. Underneath we've got like a petrol tank. The actual picture I've got for it is from a model truck. I should have actually got a realistic photo, but never mind, I'm sure it can work. So like a refrigeration truck at the top. I'm not sure if I will do a refrigeration truck, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, now all the light lines are in. Now I can get on with some pen work. Where is my ruler? My ruler has disappeared. Never mind, I still have a pencil. Okay, where should we start? Let's start on the side mirror. Doesn't really matter where you start, it's just as long as you start on things they're not going to overlap on each other. So I know this side mirror sticks out the most of everything. It's a little small. How's that? Is that looking a bit better? Okay, now for the window. It's not quite boxy, it's just curled at the edges. So it's cross, curl, cross, curl, and drawing those up. And the back end of the cab goes down a little bit there at the top, straight there. There's another section comes there, split into multiple sections, and comes across and down. So this is where the door is. The door is connected with the wing mirror as well. There's a little handle at the bottom. Okay. I've actually been in a proper wagon like this before. Don't know what it'd be like. I guess it's a bugger to drive it, but it'd be fun maybe to ride in one. Okay, we've done a few side lights there and a little square one. Okay, the bumper is in a multiple different shapes, which I'll go through. So I've just done a straight line across with a little bit going up. Then we'll draw to the end just below. Just a wee little line. There we go. Then it's got like a wheel guard coming up here. And in between the step, then there's a to the step just under there, little wee fellow. Now this bottom section of the bumper, it's got two holes there. Number plate or license plate, wherever you want to come from. I come from UK, so it's called license plate. No, it's number plate. Number plate, damn it! Remember your country. Okay. Okay, I just want to make sure these lights are joined up. I don't recommend using a pencil for a ruler. I've done so in the past, just because it's struggled to see where you're going, but I think think I left mine inside the house. Before you say anything, I'm not inside the house, I'm inside a garage. It's away from the house. Okay, so this is a middle section. Split off a little bit. Then we got 2 rows of 4 vents, like so. Remember also that I've never drawn this before, so when I slow down to actually think about where things are going, it's because I don't know where they do go. I'm learning as you're watching as well, from a photo reference. So when I describe things, where things are going, I'm telling myself, but also you're listening, so you can learn as well. Say my thoughts out loud. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so here's the middle grill. I've just done a thin line on the outside. And then for the famous Volvo logo, just a square with this line running diagonally across it. Then the windscreen is bigger than the actual side mirror, so it comes down just below it. If you can see there where it starts. And it has got a sun visor, so I might just draw that first, which sticks above it. Then we can draw the mirror coming down. Okay, then on top we can do a few lights with a little circle and a little tail at the end of it, so like a sideways ice cream cone. And then I want to do some horns. So I just do a circle with a wee an and cone it down, like so. Okay, that's pretty much the front bit of the cab all done. I think I've got everything I need to. Maybe let's do the wheel next. So, start off with the centre bit of the hub. Comes around like so. And it's got these nuts in the centre, but I'm just going to do dots for them. I'm just going to do another one around it. But on this side, because I want this middle bit to stick out, give it a very thin line. It almost looks like I've joined it up. And this sticks out. Then I'll do another rim around that. Pat a cake, pat a cake. And then for the tread, well, maybe I'll just do the tyre first actually. Again, it's going to be fatter on this side, thinner on this side. I'm just doing this freehand, but you can use a French curve if you want to. Then we'll join this up. So a little lower than the photo reference, so it's quite raised up this truck. I'll make it. There's a good reason for it. It needs to go to places where the wheels are raised up more. That's my excuse. Then I've got the tutty iron on the other side, and then the inside of the wheel. So let's do the brake drum. Normally you wouldn't see this, but because I've left this open. Okay. It's cool, it works. And there's a drum at the back, which I presume is a fuel tank, but it could be anything. It could be water, oil, I don't know. I could research these vehicles, maybe tell you some more information about them, but the internet's limited, and I do lots and lots of these vehicles. I guarantee I'll get complicated up some way. Right, front cab is done. Now let's do the cargo. This is a refrigeration truck. That might do something a bit more interesting. So from the same line underneath the door, we'll bring this right across. Bring it up. Now I've purposely made this smaller just to give it a little bit of perspective edge. It's the same with the wheels at the bottom. So that line that I have for the truck, mimic that for the wheels. So vomp, vomp, dot, and dot. Yay! Now we can join the dots up. So I'm just doing backwards what I did before. Tyre, we've got the rims. The photo reference only has a single wheel at the back. I might do a double one. Like so. That looks better. Okay. There's a box underneath here. Not sure what that's for. Never mind. Then we'll see some of the not bare metal, but the chassis shape. I say chassis there. The chassis shape underneath. So it's just this. It's hard to describe this shape going up and down. Never mind. I'll bring this across to just next to the wheels. So suspension kit underneath it. Let's go to leaf suspension. So leaf suspension has several layers of metal underneath it that bounce up and down. And we need 2 pins either side. So one will go here. To the other one will probably be around there. And we'll bring this down. Then another sheet, then another sheet. I mean, it might not be enough, so let's just give it a hydraulic press underneath there, just in case. You can never be too careful. And because this metal support frame is underneath the box, and we want to bring it just below, so we'll finish it just about there. Okay, stand look good. There's a spare tire underneath here. I'm gonna make this sort of like a heavy-duty armored truck. Nothing military-like, but heavy, rough structure. I'm just gonna do some heavy duty bolts here. Then in the center, let's do a radioactive symbol. Could do a meat truck or something, but nah, radioactive truck. It's more better. It's a bit rough, but I'll just even it out later. Okay, then we'll bring this across, and this will. So the length of this truck is about this long. So be about there, like so. I'll do another border around it. Like so. I do the word danger on the side. Do. Oh no, I'm not gonna fit it in. Can I fit it in? Okay, so that's pretty much the truck all done. Might just do the tread and the tires. So just some zigzags going around. And I'm not doing it flat, I'm trying to curl with the way the shape of the tire is. So where my hand is zigzagging there, slowly turn my hand around. This is very rough tread. I normally would go a lot slower, but just to show you. Okay, I'm just going to finish off in time lapse, just in a few details here and there. And then I'll go over and show you what I did, but it's nothing fancy. Just a few lines to make it look nice, you know.
You are the cell that keeps me caged. You are the wrath that feeds my rage. The moment I'm doubting all my faith, the reason to stay. Drawing me in with every breath, leading with hands around my neck. Whatever you want is what I get. Don't ever forget, 'cause no one can break me.
Okay, so here we are. I've basically just gone over some cross hash lines, just where I think it is necessary. I've just started off with do a few lines going across, then some areas I want to be darker, like on edges and stuff, just go the opposite way. Then when I want some edges to be darker still, I'm just going vertical lines like so, and I'm just going backwards and forwards, just making some areas darker here and there. When I find I've darkened one area too much, I kind of even it out throughout the picture so it doesn't look odd. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. It's been a Volvo radioactive truck. Can you see it all there? Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I'll be back with another video very soon. Oh, don't forget to check out some of my links in my description and subscribe and like if you want to see more and you know the whole biz. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you later.